classroom was. Finally found it, opened the door. My teacher turned it into a dinosaur. The dinosaur said, sit down at your desk. Pick up a pencil. Put a hammer in your chest. All the kids sitting, staring at their room. I looked down and saw I forgotten my clothes. The dinosaur froze and was trying to say, turn into a mom who was trying to wake me. Hey, Stevie, Tommy's here to play. Aren't you up? It's Saturday.
All right.